What's up guys? Welcome back to Charlie Ninay's vlogs. Today actually guys is October 25. October 25 is the actual launch of Apple iPhone 11 in the Philippines. And now I'm so excited to let you see my personal. So I got an iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green. This is actually the new color that they released. So along with silver, space gray, and gold. We are going to unbox this bad boy. I'm very excited to see this. Ito ang isa sa gusto kong kunin actually. Isa talaga sa gusto kong ma-achieve or makuha. So I'm excited to unbox this and show you guys this. But before that, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and also the bell button to get you notified on our next vlogs. Alright, so before I actually got this, I want to tell you three things actually. Somehow three things or three tips of getting what you want. So the first thing is, if you want it, you have to work hard for it. Working hard for it means you have to work. If you have work, then you can get one. If you don't have work, then find work muna bago you can get this. It actually goes to life na parang hindi naman lahat sa buhay madali. So kapag napagtrabahuan mo at na-achieve mo at may gusto kang kunin dahil doon, then congratulate yourself and be happy about it. If you deserve it, then you deserve it. No one else would really appreciate it but yourself. If you're happy about it, and if you really earned it, and if you deserve it, then be happy about it. I think it's safe to say na just cancel out or just don't listen to others. Not really don't listen to others, but wag mo na masyadong pansinin. Just be happy about what you have. And that's basically it. So before I got this iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green, syempre we actually had a talk, me and Ninay. I had to ask permission to her, of course, kasi kapag hindi naman po siya pumayag na kunin ko tong unit na to, hindi ko din talaga to kukunin. There's a saying that goes, happy wife is happy life. So happy naman siya at pumayag naman siya, kaya happy husband din ako. So now, without further ado, ang dami ko nang nasabi, let's open it up. Ta-da! So I got this variant because it's the new one. It's the Midnight Green one. It really looks cool because somehow para siyang army feels like. So let's just open this up. And also, trivia pala, I think they had the box color black. This is new to them because usually color white yung kanilang box. But I think because of the dark mode, which was the update on the latest iOS, I think that was the reason why they had the black. But I really don't know. I have to think and ask and also research about it. But I think that's the reason why. So without further ado, light effects. Ang ganda. Look. It's super beautiful if you can just see it. It's not shiny at all. So, hindi siya shiny. Gosh. Actually, this is the first, I think, ever phone na nabili ko para sa sarili ko. And it's just worth it. Look at that. Look at that. Triple camera. So yung back portion niya is hindi na shiny. So kapag hindi na rin napiprint yung fingerprints, hindi na kailangan masyado ng case. Hindi mo siya masyadong kailangan punasan. And just take plastic off. Yeah. Gosh, this phone is so amazing. The Apple logo is there. And it's my phone now. And what's inside the box? Usually the paper thing. May stickers din to. Got new AirPods. New earpods. This is really cool. And ilang beses na ako nawala ng ganito, so may bago na naman akong ganito. This is new. So, ang charger natin ngayon is like USB Type-C to Lightning port. And this one is a fast charger. And of course, a new one. So, I'm gonna use my old one still para at least ito backup. Or not. Depende. So, setting this one up. Here you go. Oh my gosh. So, one thing I love about using Apple products is basically, nasanay lang talaga ako na Apple, and for me it's really user friendly. That's why. Right, so I actually did the setup already kasi medyo matagal siya. So I had to connect it to Wi-Fi, yung phone kong isa, I have to update it. But then, I have it set up already. And also, I have a clear case, which is also, ito lang yung gusto ko sa mga cases. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa mga gagandang cases. But, I like clear case, especially yung bagong kulay yung kinuha ko. Kaya yung clear case talaga. Para ma-emphasize din naman yung kulay. So, and this is so fun. I had so much fun using this phone. Habang nagsiset up ako, in-explore ko na rin siya. Na-backup ko na rin. So, lahat ng files ko, andito na. Then, I have to change the wallpaper pa. So, yun. Then, the thing about the new iOS and with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, things that I love is, of course, the dark mode itself. The dark mode is one of the things or one of the features I love because hindi siya tama. Hindi ginawa naman si dark mode para to lessen the strain in your eyes. Yun. And also with the camera feature, yun. So they have the wide, yan, yun nangyayari if you can see that. This is the normal picture. And then if I press the ultra wide, this one's the focus one. Yeah, so it's so cool. I'm gonna show you some of the pictures I took while, yeah, para may mga samples and all that. And also, there's one feature that I love, the slow fee. Meron din ako sample ni papakita when it comes to that. All in all, this phone is really a dream phone for me. I would like to thank God, especially, for giving me the opportunity to have work, to get the things that I want. And also, I have to thank my wife, Ninay. Thank you so much for allowing me to have this. Because yun nga, if you're married and your wife doesn't really allow you to get those things, it's good to listen to them first, because listening to your wife definitely will give you an edge in life. If they are happy, you'll definitely have a happy life. Then also, lastly, I would like to ask you guys to help out. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, subscribe to our channel. More video vlogs will be coming up. I'm planning to do the challenge that my sister gave me last week. So the challenge was to have a day with a toddler. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So, and also we do have a lot of vlogs coming up, especially me and Ninay. So we are planning to do a lot of contents. I hope that you can help us out. And if you do have suggestions, if you do have challenges in mind, give us a comment below. And yun, and I would enjoy this bad boy. I would definitely love using this. So kailangan ko lang mag-ingat. Yan, kailangan ko lang mag-ingat kasi syempre mainit pa tong phone na to ngayon. So ingat-ingat sa mga commute, mga ganun. Thank you so much, guys, for watching or spending time watching this vlog. See you again soon. Bella ciao.